Hi everyone, this is Olivia, your teacher. I am making this video today to give you instructions on the homework assignment I gave you that is due Monday. So please do it for Monday, September, let's see, the 21st. But if you really can't do it for Monday, Tuesday is okay. Okay, so it's on the internet. So the first thing we need to do is open the internet. So Firefox, Google Chrome, or Internet Explorer. I believe on your school laptops, you have an icon for Chrome. And actually, you may have an icon on your desktop for Schoology. So if you have the icon for Schoology, click that. I do not, but if you open the internet, then type elearning.carlosrosario.org, hit enter, and then you log in. Remember, your login is your Carlos Rosario email, and then your password is one of probably two things. It is either your complete student ID number or it is something like change me. And I can check your password for you if you don't know. So log in, click on our class. Now notice here that I have an assignment coming up. So it appears right here on your dashboard page. But you can just go to our class. So click on our class. And then see again, it appears over here. So at any time you could click this and it takes you where you need to go to the assignment, which is due Monday. But also notice I have a folder just for assignments. Okay, so it's an orange folder on the Schoology page, on the main Schoology page. So click it. And right now it is the only assignment on the page. So click on the name. And I believe your screen will look something like this. I'm not entirely sure what it looks like on the student's end, but I believe it will look something like this. Okay, so you should see the name of the assignment. It's Tech Tools. Tech is short for technology, so it's the Tech Tools assignments. So click the name or this little arrow button, and it should open the assignment for you. Now, the really great thing about when I assign something to you on Schoology using Google Docs, so remember before how I had you make a copy? This is how, by the way. Click File, then make a copy, and then you would need to click Share with me when you're finished. But actually, when you do a Google Doc assignment on Schoology, you actually don't need to do those steps. So you do not need to click Make a Copy, and you do not need to click Share either. So it's a little easier. Okay, and then this is the assignment itself. So this is where you are going to write your answers. So the assignment is, I want you to learn about one technology tool that we are going to be using this semester. You can find the what you are going to do to complete this assignment back on Schoology. So go back over to Schoology. If you are on like a page like this, you can just click on our class name up here. It will take you back to our class page. And what you need to do is click on the Technology Help folder on the main page, which is yellow. So click that. So you have a few folders here with different, about different tools, technology tools that we are going to use this semester. So what I would like you to do is click on one of these folders. So that means Schoology, Remind, Zoom, or Google Docs and Drive. How to use the Carlos Rosario laptops? It's very simple, just how to log on and shut down the laptops. So I don't want you to complete the assignments on that. And then this up here at the top is just my general instructions video for how we do online classes. So not that either. Only these four: Schoology, Remind, Zoom, and Google Drive. So choose one. And then the instructions say, so choose one that you don't know well or that you want to learn more about. And what I want you to do is watch at least one of the videos in the folder for that tool. So for example, if I go to the Schoology folder, I see 2 videos. Now I know they are videos because here it says video in the name, but even if it doesn't, it should be, you should see an icon that looks like this, a link, meaning that it's a website link. But like here, this is PowerPoint. This is a PowerPoint. And this is a PDF, so that's just a document. Those aren't videos. So you would click on the video, and then it will open a new window. It will not display in Schoology. It will open a new tab for you. So watch at least one of the videos in that folder. But if there's more than one, you are welcome to watch 2, 3, all of them. So for Remind, there are quite a few actually, because we have for both iPhone and Android. So for example, if you have an iPhone, you can choose the one for iPhone. And then all of these are videos. So you would watch at least one of the videos and then complete the questions over here. So you're answering these questions based on the videos that appear when you click on these links. So what is the name of the tool? So tell me if it's Remind, Schoology, Zoom, or Google Drive. What is the first step? So the first step for using Schoology, for example, is to sign into your account. What do people use this tool for? Meaning why or the purpose. So people use Remind, for example, to communicate with their teacher or classmates. What do you think we will use this tool for in our class? So like the purpose, maybe we will use it to organize our assignments. Maybe we will use it to communicate. Okay, so that's your answer. These are your ideas. And what are some important things you can do with this tool? So like Remind, you can message or call people in the class. You can message or call other people other than me. What is something new you learned about that tool? So just like one thing, but you can write more if you want. And then if you have any questions about the tool, write them here. And then when you are finished, you do not need to click share because it's an assignment on Schoology. So it's automatically shared with me. So it's actually easier than things we have done before. All right, guys, I hope this helps. I will send this video to you soon so you can complete your assignment. Bye, everyone. See you in the next video.